Guys, I finished making my nails. Look at this. Let me show you. Okay, it looks like this. You see it properly. Look at it. Hey guys, good afternoon. How you all doing? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe as well. Today it's Friday and happy weekend, guys. And also, if you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace and you are welcome to this channel. I'm a mommy vlogger, I do lifestyle, and I bring womanhood gist to this channel. Please do well to subscribe and join the family so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. So today I'm going out to make my nails. I will be going out to the shop to get some things from me and my girl later. So I said, let me bring you guys along. If I don't bring you guys, what did I get? Nothing. Okay, let's go, guys. I have to sit down and wait for them. We have about 3 people waiting. Waiting for me. I love this place. I'll show you properly. So guys, I finished making my nails. Look at it. Let me show you. Okay, it's like this. You see it properly. Look at it. This hair will not let me show me this nails. So look at it. So fine. I love it. Now I'm going to the supermarket to get the things for my girls and for myself. Okay? Let's go. Guys, I'm here in this. Let me sample my nails. Oh, look at that. I love this nails. I just love this color. Oh. Anyway, I'm here in the supermarket. I'm going inside now. Buonasera. So guys, after buying all these things here, there is one particular body spray that I was looking for. It's not in this shop, so I went to the other shop. I will show you the shop later, so keep on watching. So guys, on my way to the other shop, I said let me stop here and pay the bills before heading to the supermarket. So the tabakeria was close by, so I had to do this first. So tabakeria is a place where you pay bill, you play games. There are a lot of things we do here. Okay. This is the cup which I bought this from my little man. He's always wasting my waste cup. And this is the cream he's using. Jardino. And this is my biggest this is in this was in school, so that's what I bought for. I bought two. So these are the items. So guys, I'm back home. Look at my nails again. This again. Sorry if I'm showing it too much. I just like it. So I got all the things that I want. I went to the tabakeria. Tabakeria is like where they say recharge card or all those things to pay bills. Yeah, as you watch that bill. And I want to cook this evening. Say, let me end this video before I start cooking. If you're watching, don't forget to give me big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. See you all in my next one. Bye.